Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using Treehouse Adventures to make a couple of welcome back to school cards for a couple of special kids. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 3 3/4 by 5. And we're going to come in with the Balmy Blue. And for Treehouse Adventure, we're going to be using this little treehouse here. We're going to make it a schoolhouse. The sentiment, let the adventure begin, and a couple of these clouds, some grass, the flowers, and the little shutters and door. All right, so I have this mounted on clear block B. And I just want it right there at the bottom. I am going to come in with my Stampin' Pierce mat for the clouds, and I have the bigger cloud, and that's mounted on clear block C. And I just want one right here in the top corner. And then one down here in the bottom, just like that. While we have the Balmy Blue out, I'm going to take the smaller cloud that's mounted on clear block A, and then the next bigger size. And I have this mounted on clear block C, but you could mount it on B. I just didn't have an extra B handy. All right, so that's all we're using the Balmy Blue for. And I have a Post-it note that I just want to put across here because I don't want to, I want to get the grass straight. So I'm going to come in with my Real Red in the schoolhouse, and it's mounted on block B. So just like that. Next, I'm going to come in with my Memento Black, and I'm going to get these shutters in. So, just like that. And I have these mounted on clear block G. Next, I'm going to come in with the door here. Pull off my cloud. All right, and then I have the tip of my roof, and that's mounted on clear block C. All right, now I'm going to come in with my Granny Apple Green. And I have the little grass here. Or I guess the stems from the flower, rather. So just like that. Excuse me. Now I'm going to come in with my Mango Melody. And then I have the 3 little flowers here. Just like that. All right, and we're going to put this aside. I'm going to come in with my Big Shot. And these cloud framelits are from Up and Away. All right, so we'll run those through. All right, so gonna bring in my snail adhesive, and I'm gonna adhere this to our matte layer. And our matte is Greeny Apple Green, and this is measured 4 by 5 1/4. So just like that. And then we're going to adhere this to our card base, which is Balmy Blue. And this measures 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. And I'm just making these cards for Zeta's friends and my nephews and nieces that are returning to school next week. All right, so I'm going to bring in some Stampin' Dimensionals. On the tiny cloud, I am going to use the mini dimensionals. So that fits perfectly. And let's see, I'm going to put one right there. And one right there. So there you have it, a quick and simple card to welcome somebody back to school. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.